Welcome everyone. Imagine standing at the edge of a cosmic abyss, the place where time slows down. Yes, time itself slows down, and the place where space itself is twisted to the extremes, means beyond recognition. Twisting is beyond recognition, means too much twisting is involved. So such a place is known as event horizon. Event horizon of what? Event horizon of a black hole. And how black holes are defined? I think that is known to you. Black holes are defined as the region of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. So that way black holes are defined. And here in today's video, the topic of discussion is only the event horizon of black hole. Okay. In many black holes, two event horizons exist. So in that case, the outer one is known as outer event horizon and the inner one is known as inner event horizon. But normally, we talk about only one event horizon. Okay. So we are talking about right now event horizon. So what happens at the event horizon? And I have mentioned that that is not a physical boundary. And this is a place where the physics we know actually ceases to, means does not work. Our laws of physics actually does not work. Not on the event horizon, even our known laws of physics are not applicable for whatever happens inside the black holes. Okay, there is a complete breakdown of known laws of physics at the event horizon as well as inside the black hole or inside the event horizon. Inside the event horizon means black holes are there. Okay, so that way black holes are defined because nothing is known actually about the black holes. Only one thing is known, that this is a region in space from where light cannot escape. Nothing, no matter, no light can escape. This is only one-way journey. But yes, according to theory of Stephen Hawking, he gave us one theory. The theory is known as Hawking radiation. So according to him, that black holes actually are not completely black. Completely black, this will be called only when really, if nothing returns from the black holes or nothing emits from the black hole, in that case they are completely black. But according to Stephen Hawking, black holes are not completely black. That means black holes evaporate something. So according to Stephen Hawking's theory, black holes are able to evaporate, but very slowly they evaporate. And that is known as actually Hawking radiation. That way black holes lose their mass. That means there is a question of black holes' lifespan also. Okay, they are not permanent in the universe. With time, there is a change. So what happens when when matter falling into a black hole? What happens in that case? So when the matter, say there is a distant observer, say we are observing the phenomenon from Earth. That means we are what? We are distant observers. We are observing a black hole and say a rocket is approaching toward the black hole. So when the rocket just reaches very near to the event horizon, what happens? And we are observing from Earth. So there is a sufficient distance between the black hole and this Earth. And here on Earth there is no effect of the black hole. So this is the situation. And this is what? This is imagination. This is our imagination, and we are imagining everything by using our known laws of physics. So if we use such imagination, then what should happen? According to Einstein's general theory of relativity, time must be slowed down near the event horizon. Because according to general theory of relativity, massive masses affect time. Affect time. Time is slowed down near massive masses. So black holes where density is infinite, that means those are massive masses. So very near to them, time should be slowed down, and that we should observe from Earth. Time is slowed down, and when the matter goes inside the black hole, means crosses the event horizon boundary, in that case time will be fully stopped for that matter or for that rocket. Time will be fully stopped. Time will cease to flow for that object. Okay, so this is actually according to the general theory of relativity. We are using that theory, we are keeping that theory in mind, in our mind, and other things are what? Only imagination. Practically nothing was done like this. Okay, there is no practical evidence of these theories. But this is our imagination. And one more thing, what happens inside the black hole? If this be the question, then spaghettification, there is one term used in the study of astrophysics, spaghettification, means in the direction of the gravitational pull, there will be elongation or stretching of the object which goes inside the black hole. So that phenomenon, stretching of the object along the direction of the gravitational pull or along the direction of the center of the black hole. Center of the black hole is known as singularity, a point of infinite density, where laws of physics, where known laws of physics don't work. Okay, don't work. Nothing is known about those things. So how could we say that our known laws of physics should work over there? Nothing is known. Still black holes are completely black to our eyes, and it is only Stephen Hawking's theory. Hawking radiation, there is also no practical evidence of this Hawking radiation. This is still now exists only in the theory level. There is no practical evidence. Okay, scientists are trying to discover many things. They are trying to discover, they are actually exploring many things. They are doing their research in many fields to know about the universe. That way might be one day we will be able to know everything about the black holes, but right now actually we don't know anything about the black holes. Whatever we know, whatever theory exists, all are our imagination, means imagination of the scientists. Okay, imagination of the scientists. And we say that this is a one-way journey. Yes, this won't be said as a one-way journey if wormholes exist. But that is also our imagination, that is also in the theory level, wormholes. Okay, there is a concept of wormhole in physics. But that is not clear to the scientists. Okay, and only in theory wormholes exist. There is no practical evidence of the existence of wormholes in reality. Okay, anyway, so this was all about the topic. Topic was what actually? Event horizon. Okay, so inside the event horizon, what exists is known as black hole. And event horizon is nothing but the boundary, though it is not a physical boundary. It's a theoretical boundary, you can say this way. And this is such a boundary from where nothing can escape. If you cross that limit, this is known as the limit, this boundary is known as the limit. If you cross that limit, means if you cross that limit and go, if you go inside the black hole, okay, in that case, it will, escape for you won't be possible. Anyway, so this was all about event horizon. Okay, so this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.